today's video is Dark Thunder Buddy Bro destroy the town with thunderstorm/grounded.
Hello, I'm Dark Thunder Buddy Bro, and today I'm going to destroy the town with thunderstorm because I hate this town. Ha 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 ha. All right, I'm doing the 3, 2, 1. Yes, I destroyed the town with thunderstorm. 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 Yes, I destroyed the town with a thunderstorm. Oh no, it's Jessica.
That's right. And Dark Thunder Buddy Bro, did you destroy the town with thunderstorm? Tell me the truth right now or else there will be consequences.
Well, you're going to be so furious when I tell you, but yes, I destroyed the town with thunderstorm because it looked so stupid.
Oh my god, Dark Thunder Buddy Bro, I can't believe you destroyed the town with thunderstorm. Now it cost $10 million because of you. That's it. Go home right now while I call your parents about this.
No.
When Dark Thunder Buddy Bro.
Oh my god! Dark Thunder Buddy Bro, we can't believe you destroyed the town with thunderstorm. It cost $10 million thanks to you.
But Mom, Dad, and Thunder Buddy Bro, I just hate the town because it looks so stupid.
We don't care. You are grounded for 60 days.
March upstairs to your room right now and don't come out until say you can.
Yes, Mom, Dad, and Thunder Buddy Bro, whatever you all say.